Hello students, welcome to Python programming class lecture 35. We are learning unit 4 part 3 files. So let's check the syllabus once again. Persistence, reading and writing, format operator, file name and paths, catching exceptions, databases, pickling, pipes and writing modules. In previous two lectures, 5 topics are completed, right? In today's lecture, we will learn two topics, databases and pickling. Right, in coming lecture we will learn two topics, right? Let's get into the today's lecture, databases and pickling. Coming to the first one, databases. What is meant by database? It stores the data, right? So database nothing but stores the complete data. So most databases are organized in the format of dictionaries, right? So that means, what is meant by dictionary? It contains two things. What are they? Keys and values, right? Dictionary contains keys and values. By using the dictionaries, we are organizing the databases. So let's take one point here. The module any dbm, it provides interfacing for creating and updating the database files, right? By using this module, we are creating the database and updating the database in the system. For example, take one captions for image file. So this is the example. I am opening the database, right, for captions for the image file. So what you have to import? This is a module, right? This is a module means you need to import first. Import any dbm. So db is a variable equal to any dbm. So what is the method here? Open. So we are opening captions.db. We are opening which database? Captions.db by using here C. So what is mean by C? C means creating, right? C means creating the data. If you create new item, any dbm updates the database file, right? So if this is not available, captions.db is not available, it will be created. If the captions.db is available, that will be updated, right? So that is the use of any dbm module, right? So here db of, so here what is the variable? Db, right? So I am giving like this. So db of please.png, this is one key, please.png, right, equal to photo of John Cleese, just like a dictionary. So db of key equal to value, this is a key, this is a value. Now print of Cleese.png, photo of John Cleese. You will update like this. So db of Cleese.png equal to, this is the key, same key, and photo of John Cleese doing a silly walk. This is another value that is updated. That is updated just like a dictionaries, right? So once we've gone through the dictionary concept, the same concept will appear in the databases, right? So similarly for loop, for key, for key in database, print key will print all keys in the databases. After reading that, so db.close, it means it will close the database, right? So that's the concept of databases. Now coming to the next one, pickling. So the main limitation of the any dbm is, we have one limitation. What is the limitation? The values must be in string format, right? You must give the values in the string format only. So to solve that problem, we are using pickle module, right? What is the use of pickle module is, it will convert any type of data into string. It translates almost any type of object into string suitable storage in the database, and then translate back into the objects. Object to string, string to objects. So we are using this one, pickle dot dumps. Pickle dot dumps. Let's check one example. Import pickle. We need to import pickle because of it is a module. So take t equal to 1, 2, 3. Right? So pickle dot dumps of t. So it will print like this. It is not readable format. Not in readable format. Okay. Next, take T1, 1, 2, 3, convert this 1, 2, 3 list into string. So string equal to pickle dot dumps, right? And then you are loading this string. You are loading this string into T2. That means pickle dot loads of yes. Now what is T2? 1, 2, 3. T2 is 1, 2, 3, right? Of course, T1 is equal to T2. T1 is 1, 2, 3. T2 is 1, 2, 3. But T2 is false. So T1 is one object. T2 is another object. Both content are same, but objects are different. So that's the concept of pickling. That's the today's lecture. We will meet in the next lecture.